Yeah, normally what we do is that here we want to put our touchdown point.
ठीक है.
So if you put VIDP 28, yeah, and just put it on that box. Now it is giving you bearing and distance.
Yes sir.
ठीक है. So
सर ये हमने VIDP कहाँ से बता सर?
ये VIDP 28 आपने रनवे थ्रेशोल्ड डाल दिया.
अच्छा ठीक है.
So now all the time while he is vectoring you know, looking at here, that okay, this is the minimum miles I have to touch down.
Okay.
So you can plan your descent accordingly.
Yes sir.
So if you are at 6,000 feet or 10,000 feet or 20,000 feet, you know this is how much distance I am required.
Yes sir.
So initially you can, back on the mind, you can plan that okay, I have to descend, I have to slow down, so what I need to do is activate approach phase and all that.
Yes sir.
So that is done. Next page.
Okay. So
Alright. So this is climb is not required. So and here you can activate because now you are being vectored. So you can activate. Confirm. And it will ask you for destination data. So the moment you have activated, it is slowing down.
Yes sir.
And now you can prepare the box.
QNH
1013.
1013.
Temperature is 38. Winds you can take 330 at 15 knots.
15.
Yeah. So it's giving you your V approach.
Yes sir.
So that's your V approach speed.
Yes sir. And VLS
And your
also
gyro
there.
is.
So gyro is
Minimums.
MDA. Sir.
I'm asking you so that you get comfortable. You
हाँ, sir, मैं
know,
बहुत
you should know where to look.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Exactly in just one glance. That's why I'm asking you.
Yes sir. I know sir.
Yeah. Okay. So your cat C
Yes sir.
1006. If you are category A or B, then you minimize
986.
986.
Okay.
But you are category C, so 1006. You put 1006. Okay. Landing configuration, you can config 3 or config full. If you are doing config full, nothing is required.
Okay.
Okay. And so this page is done. Next page, next.
So fuel.
T is done. Head, you remember? We
Yes sir.
did
Sir, so this and fuel and then.
Yeah, go to fuel prediction.
Yes sir.
So you know
So
that.
we have an extra हाँ.
Yeah, so you have plenty of fuel extra, so
Yes,
nothing to worry about.
Yes sir.
Then you go to secondary flight plan
Secondary equipment.
and you put copy active. So you're done.
Yes sir.
And now what do you want? What else you have to do? I have given you a heading,
Yes sir.
so you can now
Direct to.
you can sequence the flight plan.
Oh yes.
So how do we sequence the flight plan?
So वो मुझे थोड़ा सा program.
Go to flight plan.
Flight plan and then.
Yeah, just select flight plan. Actually, what you do is you put direct.
To Delta 1 to.
No, yeah, select direct.
Direct.
Okay. Now delta, that is
Yes, sir.
you will pick any of the points which is there on your ILS.
Yes sir.
So Delta Papa November 12 is there.
Yes sir.
So you select Delta Papa November 12. What is your course in?
Sir, course will be 284.
284. So opposite is 104.
104.
So on Airbus, it is always
Already given.
reciprocal rated. So you select 104 and insert. So now your flight plan is sequenced. So whenever you will sequence the flight plan, you will see nav here.
Yes sir.
Okay. So you just have to pull heading once more.
Yes.
Okay. So now
The
this
heading.
thing is gone and you are back on heading. Okay.
Heading. Right.
Okay. Turn left heading 070.
070 left. 070 left.
Alright. So since we have still time for the approach, You are prepared for the approach?
Yes, sir.
I am your pilot monitoring. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to tell?
So, first of all, the briefing.
Okay, go ahead with the briefing.
So, so we'll be doing ILS approach runway 28, and that will be managed,
Okay.
managed,
Yeah.
and risk involved since I think it was raining,
Okay.
and we'll take care of the auto brake. That will be we'll use medium.
All right. We can, yeah, auto brakes low is okay.
Low.
It's up to you. You can select low or medium.
Okay.
If it is runway is wet, then you want to go medium. Otherwise, normally it's low.
Yes, sir.
So first thing you want to
Okay.
brief about the weather.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we are heading back. What are you doing? First thing, you are heading back. We are being vectored. Heading is selected.
Yes, sir.
I have prepared the box.
Yes, sir.
Now you tell them this is how we are going to do the approach. This is my messed procedure, and then thereafter you cover any points which are missing.
Okay.
So now you can brief me for the approach looking at the chart.
So,
So I confirm I have the same chart.
yes, sir.
You will always confirm with the date above and
Date,
chart
yes, sir.
number.
Yes, sir. 11/6 alpha, 5 April 2024.
Check.
So on we are doing managed and early stabilize
Yeah.
approach.
Check.
So before intercepting 2 nautical mile, we'll take flap 1,
Okay.
and once we are clear for approach, so we'll press the approach button. This is called approach, activate approach.
Check.
So that's sir, arm the approach. So
Okay.
we'll arm the approach, and once
So we are not going. Okay, I'm just giving the heading initially 0905. What I'll do is I'll just give you everything so that yeah. So we're going for Delhi runway 28. Chart is 11-6 alpha. 5th April 2024. Confirm you have the same.
yes, yes, sir.
Okay. So localizer frequency 110.3 is set.
Yes, sir.
110.3 is set. Final approach course 284.
Yes, sir.
Okay. My glide slope intercept is at 4 point. Correction. Final approach fix is 4.3 DME at 2140. So
Yes,
this
sir.
is where I will read it.
Yes, sir.
ILS decision height is set on the barrel, which is 1006.
1006.
MSA is 2600 within 25 knots.
Yes, sir.
So it will be fully managed, fully stabilized approach. So that means we should be fully configured
By 20.
and 2600 and we should be stabilized by 1000 feet. So we intercept the glide, we'll go down to minimums. If we see the runway, we land, otherwise we initiate the west approach. So this approach procedure is climbing straight at 2600, crossing, and then you will always cross check.
Yes, sir.
2600 on a track of 345, crossing 5 DME. I'll intercept course 316 via SAM VOR and climb to flight level 70 and hold. Hold is a left hand holding pattern with an inbound course of 136. Okay?
ठीक है.
You okay?
जी.
So while on approach, we have high intensity approach lighting system, Papi is to the left of the runway, and then we will discuss if there is anything here.
ठीक है. Yes, sir.
That's it. So we'll follow this
Follow this.
sequence
ठीक है.
every time. So now you have covered everything.
Yes, sir.
When you ask me, do you have any question? No, I don't have any question. I'll select this low and okay. Turn left heading 080 and since we are below 10,000 feet, as a pilot monitoring, I'm supposed to do 10,000 checks. So LS, this is all done. Okay, I fly 001, descend and maintain 2,600.
2600.
So you'll go first idle, open descent, on heading.
Yes, sir.
So I check and I say confirm. So now we are approaching transition level, right?
Yes, sir.
So we can set
QNH
13,
1013.
QNH 1013 is set, and then you can ask me for,
I check 500.
okay, check, I confirm. Then you can ask me for
Landing checklist.
approach checklist.
Approach checklist.
Approach checklist briefing,
Done.
ECAM status, always check, no status, status normal, seatbelts,
On.
okay, so this one seatbelts on, seatbelts are on, check, QNH,
QNH 1013.
1013 set, minimums,
Minimums 1006.
1006 set, engine mode selector,
It's on no.
check, approach checklist complete. In the simulator, we can simulate night time also. I'll just show it to you. On into night mode. Use the lights. Okay, turn left heading 300.
300.
Check. I've given you a long vector so that you can get comfortable with everything. So while since you have time, just go through everything,
Yes,
make
sir.
sure which switch is where, you get familiar with all the, get comfortable with all the switches and
Speed all
I
star.
can imagine होता है.
Initial 2 महीने में सर सदमे से बाहर निकलने में
Speed all star. All the call outs, any changes on the FMA, it is mandatory to announce.
Alt.
Check. Turn left heading 270.
Left heading 270. सर इस टाइम पे अगर मुझे डिस्टेंस देखना है तो मैं व्यूअर से देखूंगा कि एलएस से देखूंगा?
Actual touchdown distance from ILS,
Okay.
2.5. And actually, that is the reason why we have put, if you go on progress page, so on your side, if you look there, this is your actual distance to touchdown, because this is the distance from threshold.
Okay.
ठीक है? So, because ILS or localizer, they are not,
Different,
they are not, on all the runways, if you go to Dubai,
They are different installed.
yeah, different places. So that distance might be, it might be a difference of 1 kilometer.
Right.
So always, if you want to do, just check it from here. So that will give you your always you will always see your
42.4.
distance to touchdown.
Yes, sir. Got it.
हेलो जी, हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल, हाँ वो भी ठीक रहेगा। I'll give you call. ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, ठीक है, thank you. Okay, you're clear for localizer?
Sir, localizer. So, lock.
Yeah. I specifically told you localizer.
Okay.
There is a reason for that, because whenever they clear you for approach, then you press approach.
Approach on the
If
approach.
he has cleared you for localizer only, then you
Okay.
press only localizer.
I was expecting
मैं
approach.
जानबूझ के कर रहा हूँ,
हाँ, मैं that's true.
so that you know the difference.
Yes, sir.
Lock start,
Lock start.
Delhi or Mumbai, wherever you are going to do an approach. If you are at 2,600, he might clear you for approach. But normally they will never clear you for approach if you are above your this thing.
Platform.
Descent altitude.
Platform height.
Yeah, platform height, because they don't want you to intercept glide slope on your own.
Okay. Yes, sir.
So they will always clear you for localizer first, and then they will ask you
So,
to step approach.
Sir, speed ज़्यादा sir, flap. We'll take flap.
Okay, whenever you want, that is your call.
So, flap right.
Please check. And you're always confirming flaps here.
Yes, sir.
Flap 1.
Flap one.
Okay, after 001, yeah, go ahead.
Flap two.
You're clear for ILS.
Flap for ILS. So, approach.
Yes. When he is cleared for your ILS, approach is on.
Approach. At 9, we'll take a landing at all.
Normally, when your glide slope is alive,
Okay, उस time पे.
so that's a good, because you don't want to, there are 5 aircraft behind you.
Yes, sir.
You
So when
do,
no-
actually, I should be at around 180 knots right now,
Okay.
because I don't want to slow down, because everybody else has to slow down behind me.
Yes, sir.
So normally I'll keep up my speed minimum 160 knots till 10 AME, and then I will try to slow down. So when you see your glide slope alive, then you can ask me to set landing gear down.
Okay, sir. इसका सर एक वो होता है ना वो
complete. All right. Flight 001, you're clear to land.
Clear to land. Check.
Stabilize, stabilize.
So disengaging autopilot minimum scale.
Yeah, I'll tell you when to do the simulation.
Check. Land.
Check. Right, watch on the right now.
Yes, sir. Sir, disengage continue.
Okay, check. You can disconnect. Cut 1. He has called you
Cut one.
minimum, so you call out
Continue.
landing.
Landing.
Here, diesel green. Spoilers. knots. You can take manual braking. Okay, let's take manual more right.
इसका सर बहुत सेंसिटिव है
Yeah, actually.
तो पता नहीं चल रहा कि इसको पैर दबाऊं तो कहीं जा
I
रहा
know.
हूं
Actually, the original radar, Airbus के radars, they are in Bombay.
ओके
When we were installing it, that time